Hi, welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. In this video, we'll learn how to directly embed a checkout form on your landing page. This feature allows customers to complete their checkout process seamlessly, directly from the landing page, skipping multiple steps. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. First, from your Berdu website dashboard, go to the Layout. You can add this checkout section to the main page or a custom page. For example, I want to add it to a landing page on a custom page I previously created. Add a new section. Then, select the Checkout Form section. Next, select the products you want to include in the checkout form. If the product has variations, such as size or color, you can select the specific variation as well. You can also add multiple products to the form if needed. Let's proceed to the Layout section. Here, you can modify the design of the checkout page by selecting the Change menu. Choose from options like Pages, Scroll, Simple, or Mini. Just pick the design that best fits your preferences. You can also customize the header by displaying the store name, using a navigation logo, uploading your own custom logo, or removing the header entirely by selecting None. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust the form's position. For instance, you can place it on the left or right side of the page, depending on your layout preference. Next, go to the Form section. In the Form section, you can customize several options. By default, customers need to provide their phone number at checkout. If you prefer, you can change this to email address or select None, so no email or phone is required. Adjust this based on the product you're selling. For this tutorial, I'll keep the email option. Below the email field, there's a Subscribe to Newsletter checkbox. You can make it pre-checked, unchecked, or completely hidden. Next, in the Address section, you can enable or disable fields like last name, zip code, or country. Fields can also be set as optional or required. If you're selling digital products, you can hide the entire address form by selecting the Hidden option. This way, the form will only ask for the customer's email address. Now, let's move on to the Design tab. Through these settings, you can customize the appearance of the checkout page, such as the product background, name color, text color, content color, and outline color. You can also adjust the name size, font type, and text size. If needed, you can even set the outline thickness, radius, and gap. As for the Done button, this is used to customize the default Complete Order button. You can change the text, update its color, and even add an icon to make it more appealing. For the icon, you can search from Berdu's library or upload your own icon. Next, let's move on to the Text section. In the text settings, you can customize the labels and placeholders for each field. For example, if you want to display the customer information field, simply locate it in the settings, remove the dash symbol, and it will appear in the form. You can also customize the text if needed. For instance, you can rename it to Customer Data or any label that suits your preference. This method applies to other fields too, so feel free to adjust and customize them based on your specific needs. Once everything is finished, click Done. Then, adjust the position of the checkout form by dragging it to the desired spot on your landing page. Click Save, and your embedded checkout form is ready. Now, let's test the checkout flow. On the landing page, the checkout section we just created now appears with the selected products and their variations. The form includes fields for shipping and payment methods. To test, fill out the required customer information, choose a shipping method and payment method, and click Complete Order. The order is now successfully placed, and the system will notify the customer to confirm payment. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Follow us on social media for more exciting updates and tips. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.